Hey, I just got another package in the mail, and this is from my Microsoft Surface Duo, and it's from Kingston. We're going to go ahead and open it up, and I'm going to show you how it works. Hey, what's going on YouTube fam? This is Sly, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Talk Tech. We have that package right here, and as you can see, this is designed for Microsoft Surface, the Surface Duo. So surprise, surprise, this is a brand new belt holster that's for the Surface Duo. We got our Surface Duo right here. So let's go ahead and open up the package. So we'll just go ahead and a nice little cut right there. Open that up. All right, simple packaging. We have a plastic with our device in it, and then we also have some more plastic with directions and a box. That's all it is there. We'll get rid of the box. Directions. We don't need no stinking directions. We'll get rid of that. And we actually have the... Okay. So here is actually the belt holster right here. And as you can see, this is made by Kensington. And it's the belt holder for the Microsoft Surface Duo. Okay. This is one solid piece of plastic. The belt holster itself does not rotate or change directions. It simply clicks onto whatever you need, or clips onto whatever you need it to. And there is a plastic piece right here that will go over the Surface Duo. So the way that it works, very simple. Holster, take it, slide your Microsoft Duo in there, and this can be with or without the Surface bumper on there. Okay, so this will work with or without the Surface bumpers, and that slides on there just like that, and then this piece right there connects on to your pants or whatever you may have it connect onto. YouTube fam, thanks for checking out this video. This has been a Kingston belt holster for the Microsoft Surface Duo. As always, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, and stay tuned for many more videos on the Microsoft Surface Duo and other exciting devices and accessories that we have on this channel. As always, I appreciate your time, and peace.